Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Room, where learning English is polite and fun. I'm Sarah.
And I am Sam.
How are you today?
I'm great, Sarah. Actually, I'm really happy today.
Oh, really? Why so happy?
Because our listeners are here. That always makes my day.
Aw, that's so sweet, John. And it's true. We are so happy you pressed play today. Thank you for being here with us.
Yes, thank you. Really, you make this podcast special.
So, John, I have a question for you.
Okay, I'm ready.
What's a word you use, like, every single day?
Like, maybe the word like?
You just said it twice.
Wait, I did. I didn't even notice.
And that's exactly what today's episode is about.
Oh, perfect timing.
Today, we are going to learn how to use the word like in everyday English. This is a very small word, but it's a very busy word.
It really is. It does so many different jobs.
Exactly. And by the end of this episode, you will know 7 different ways to use the word like in real conversations.
7? Wow. One tiny word, 7 big uses.
That's right. And we'll make it fun. We'll share stories, we'll give you easy examples, and we'll help you sound more natural.
I like that plan.
There it is again. You just used like.
I can't stop.
Okay, but before we start, John, can we ask our listeners something?
Of course, this is important.
If you enjoy this podcast, please hit that subscribe button right now.
Yes, click subscribe. It takes 1 second, and it helps us so much.
And please like this video. Wait, see? You're already practicing. When you like our video, you're using the word like.
Nice one, Sarah. I didn't even think of that.
And one more thing, please share this episode with a friend who is learning English. Maybe send it to them right now.
Exactly. It takes 2 seconds, and it really helps us create more free lessons for you.
We really appreciate it. Thank you.
Okay, now let's learn.
Let's go. All right, the word like. John, are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's do this.
Okay, use number 1, the most common one, the most basic one. We use like to talk about things we enjoy.
Oh, this one is easy. Like, I like coffee.
Perfect. I like coffee. That means coffee makes you happy. You enjoy it.
And I really do like coffee. Maybe too much.
Me too, honestly. I drink like 5 cups every day.
5? That's a lot.
I know, but I can't stop. Okay, so listeners, here's the pattern. It's very simple. I like plus something. That's it.
I like music.
I like chocolate.
I like weekends.
Who doesn't?
Right? Everyone likes weekends.
And you can also say what you don't like. Just add don't. I don't like rain.
Ooh, I don't like early mornings.
John, you always say that.
Because it's always true.
Fair enough. Okay, listeners, think right now. What do you like? What do you don't like? Say it in your head. I like something. I don't like something.
Say it out loud if you can. That's the best way to practice.
Great idea, John.
Okay, what's number 2?
Number 2 is super useful. We use like when we want something, but we want to be polite. We say, I would like, or I'd like.
Oh, like at a restaurant?
Exactly, like at a restaurant. You don't say, give me a coffee. That's rude.
Yeah, please don't do that.
Instead, you say, I'd like a coffee, please.
So much nicer.
Right? I'd like means I want, but polite, soft, friendly.
I use this all the time. I'd like a sandwich, please. I'd like the chicken, please.
Perfect examples. And you can use it outside restaurants too. I'd like to ask a question. I'd like to help.
Oh, that's nice. I'd like to help. I like that sentence.
See? The word like again.
It's everywhere. I can't escape.
Listeners, try this one. Next time you want something, say I'd like instead of I want. It sounds so much better. People will think, wow, your English is really polite.
And polite is always good.
Always. Okay, number 3. This one is really fun. We use like to describe things, to compare things. For example, she sings like an angel.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Right? It means her voice is so beautiful, it's similar to an angel.
Okay. I have one. My cat sleeps like a baby.
That's so cute.
It's true. She sleeps all day, so peaceful, so calm, just like a baby.
So when we say something is like something else, we mean it's similar. It's the same in some way.
Got it. Oh, here's another one. He eats like a horse.
Does he really eat that much?
Whoa, I'm actually talking about me, Sarah.
Oh, John.
It's true. Last night I ate 3 plates of pasta.
3?
3! I was so hungry.
Well, you definitely eat like a horse.
I told you.
So, listeners, this is a fun way to use like. You compare 2 things. Something is like something else. Try to think of one right now. My friend runs like what? My city looks like what?
Tell us in the comments. We want to hear your sentences.
Okay, number 4. This is a big one, John. Really big.
Uh-oh. I'm ready.
We use like as a filler word. Now, listeners, what is a filler word? A filler word is a word we say when we're thinking. We don't really mean anything by it. We're just filling the space.
Oh. So, like, when I say, I was, like, so tired yesterday.
Yes! That like doesn't really mean anything. You were just thinking while talking.
I do this so much.
We all do. Native speakers use like as a filler word all the time, especially young people.
So, like, if I say, the movie was, like, really good, the word like there is just extra.
Exactly. It's extra. It's a habit.
Is that bad?
Not really. It's very natural. It's very common. But here's a tip, listeners. Don't use it too much. 1 or 2 times is fine. 10 times in one sentence is too many.
I might be guilty of that.
Maybe a little. But the important thing is, when you hear native speakers say like in the middle of a sentence, now you understand. They're just thinking. They're filling the space. It's totally normal.
That's really helpful to know.
It is, because when you're watching a movie or a TV show in English, you'll hear this a lot, and now you won't be confused.
I love that.
What's next? Number 5?
Yes, number 5.
Number 5, we use like to ask about someone's opinion or experience. We say, what is it like?
Oh, okay. Give me an example.
Sure. Imagine your friend moves to a new city. You ask, what's it like? That means, tell me about it. Describe it for me. How is it?
Oh, I love that. What's it like living in New York?
Exactly. Or, what's it like being a teacher? Or, what's your new job like?
So it's asking someone to describe their experience.
Yes, and it's so common in conversation. You'll hear people say this every single day.
You know what? Someone actually asked me this last week.
Really? What did they ask?
My friend said, what's it like doing a podcast?
Oh, nice question. And what did you say?
I said, it's like talking to your best friend, but thousands of people are listening.
That's actually really sweet, John.
And a little scary.
Listeners, this is a wonderful question to practice. What's it like? Use it to ask your friends about their life. Ask about their job, their school, their city. People love this question.
It starts great conversations.
It really does. Okay, number 6. This one is very, very popular, especially in stories. We use like to quote someone, to tell people what someone said.
Oh, like when I say, and she was like, oh my God.
Yes, exactly. Now, in formal English, we say, she said, oh my God. But in casual, everyday English, people often say, she was like, oh my God.
I use this one every single day.
Everybody does. Let me tell you a little story.
Oh, I love stories.
Okay, so last week I was at a coffee shop and I ordered my coffee and the barista said, that will be $9. And I was like, $9 for one coffee?
$9? That's so expensive.
Right? And then my friend was like, welcome to 2026, Sarah.
That is so funny and so true. Coffee is really expensive now.
It is. But did you hear how I used like in that story? I was like, $9. My friend was like, welcome to 2026. I was telling you what people said, but I used like instead of said.
And it sounds so much more fun and natural.
It does. Listeners, you'll hear this in movies all the time. And he was like, and then she was like. Now you know what it means.
Oh, let me try. So yesterday, I made dinner, and I put sugar in the pasta instead of salt.
Oh, no.
And my roommate took one bite, and he was like, John, what is this? He wasn't even asking. He was just staring at me.
Oh, John, not again. You always have cooking disasters.
I know, I really do. And I was like, okay, let's just order pizza. And he was like, best idea you've had all day.
That's perfect. That's such a great example. Did everyone hear that? John used like as a filler and to quote people, all in one story.
I'm a natural.
You are. Okay, last one. Number 7. We use like to give examples. We say like to mean for example or such as.
Oh, right. Like if I say, I enjoy outdoor activities like hiking and swimming.
Perfect. The word like there means for example. Here's another one. I want to visit many countries like Japan, Brazil, and Italy.
That's so easy.
It is, and it's so useful. You can use it everywhere. I like fruits, like apples and bananas. I listen to music, like pop and jazz.
Listeners, you probably already used this one without knowing it.
Probably, and now you know the grammar behind it. When you say like before a list of things, it means for example.
Simple and powerful.
Exactly. Okay, John, that was a lot. Should we do a quick review?
Yes, let's do it. 7 ways to use like.
Number 1, I like coffee. Talking about things you enjoy.
Number 2, I'd like a coffee, please. Being polite.
Number 3, she sings like an angel. Comparing things.
Number 4, it was like really good. A filler word for when you're thinking.
Number 5, what's it like? Asking about someone's experience.
Number 6, she was like, oh my God, telling people what someone said.
And number 7, I like fruits like apples and bananas. Giving examples.
7 ways. 1 little word. So many uses.
That's amazing, right?
It really is.
Now, listeners, I want to say something really important.
Me too. This part really matters to us.
Learning a new language is hard. We know. We understand. Sometimes you feel confused. Sometimes you feel frustrated. Sometimes you feel like giving up.
But please don't give up.
Please don't, because every time you listen to this podcast, you are learning. Even if it doesn't feel like it, you are getting better.
Every single episode, every single minute, your brain is working.
Your English is growing.
And it's okay to make mistakes. Mistakes are not bad. Mistakes are part of learning. They are your teachers.
I make mistakes every single day. And I'm a native speaker.
That's true.
Remember the sugar in the pasta?
How could I forget? But seriously, listeners, be patient with yourself. Be kind to yourself. You are doing something really, really brave. Not everyone has the courage to learn a new language.
That's right. You are brave, and we are so proud of you.
So proud. Keep going, keep listening, keep practicing. Even 5 minutes a day is wonderful.
Say one new sentence every day. That's all you need.
And if today is a hard day, that's okay. Tomorrow is a new day, and we'll be right here waiting for you.
Always.
All right, before we go, let's give our listeners some homework.
Oh, fun homework.
Yes, fun homework. Listeners, this week, try to use the word like in 3 different ways. Maybe say, I like something. Maybe ask someone, what's it like? Maybe tell a story using she was like.
Pick any 3 and practice them this week. Say them out loud. Write them down. Use them with a friend.
And tell us in the comments. Write your sentences. We read every single comment, and we will reply.
We really do read them, every single one.
Now, one more time, if you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to English Politely, the podcast.
Hit the like button, and remember, now you know what like means.
Yes, you're liking the video and practicing English at the same time.
2 things at once. That's smart.
And please share this with someone who needs it. Maybe a classmate, maybe a coworker, maybe someone in your family.
English is better when you learn together.
It really is.
Okay, Sarah, I think it's time to say goodbye.
Already? But I'm having so much fun.
Me too. But don't worry, we'll be back very, very soon with a new episode.
That's right, and it's gonna be great.
Listeners, thank you so much for spending your time with us today. It means the world.
You are amazing. Don't forget that. Keep learning, keep smiling, and keep being you.
You can do this. We believe in you.
100%.
We'll see you in the next episode of Everyday English Room.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. Take care.
We love you guys.
See you next time.